Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Hope you all are doing great. In today's video I'll be showing you long lasting fresh makeup for office and college. So in this video I'll be creating this look keeping in mind those long days working in office and doing presentations the whole day, starting from the morning and ending up in the evening, or college events or festivals which take place throughout the day. So that your makeup will stay for a longer time, using less makeup products and focusing more on your skin, so that your makeup will look more natural. So let's begin. So the first product always which we use is a moisturizer. So you can use any moisturizer of your choice which suits your skin, or any sun lotion. I'll be using this moisturizer by Vaseline. Okay, so now we have applied moisturizer, the first base for your makeup. So the second we always use is a foundation, but in this tutorial I am going to skip using foundation, because I told you I am going to use minimal makeup products and focus more on your skin. So I'll be just going skipping the foundation and then using concealer. So I'll be using this Maybelline Fit Me concealer. Apply it under your eyes wherever you have dark spots or acne spots. So after applying it, you can always use a brush or a blender. I prefer using blender so that it will blend properly into your skin. Too much of noise. Just dab it also on your eyelids. Do not drag it all over your face, just dab it and blend it properly. So you can see the difference. After using concealer, the next step is to use loose powder. You can always use compact. Sorry, I was telling contact. You can always use compact or loose powder. I'm using this loose powder by Color Essence. So what you have, you can use it by your brush or by sponge. Just apply it under your eyes, little on your face. Just take a little bit of powder in your brush, just dust the excess part, and just run the brush all over your face, on your neck also. So after you have done applying the loose powder, you can do your eyebrows. If you want, you can fill in the brows. I don't do it usually. If you like to do your eyebrows, you can do it. So after that we use is bronzer, contouring, or using a highlighter. But we can always skip these things, because in day-to-day makeup that will look too much on your face. So you can skip all these three things: contouring, bronzing and using a highlighter, because as I told you, you have to create a natural look. So on camera it might look good, but when you go outside or meet people in personal, that will look too much on your face. Eyebrows you can do, and then after that I told you have to skip these three things: bronzing, contouring and highlighter, which might look too much. As I told you, we have to focus more on our skin and make the look more natural. So after that we are going to use blush. This is my palette. I'll be using this pink shade. Just take it in your brush, dust the excess, apply it on the apple of your cheeks. You can see. And just apply it on your nose a little so that you get a flushed look. If you think it is too much, then you can always take a blender and blend it. If you are done with your blush, you can just take a little bit of loose powder again, just dust the excess, and just run it all over your face. Give it a little of natural look. So after that we come to eyes. You can always use liner, kajal, mascara, whatever you want, but don't go with eyeshadow because it will look too much. As I told you, we are going to create a normal makeup look. You can use any of these three products which you love using. That we are going to use lipstick. Without lipsticks your makeup will not get completed. You can always go with nude shades in day-to-day life. Avoid using dark shades. So I'll be using this lipstick by L18. So that's it guys, this is all about 10 minutes getting ready makeup. Natural, look young, look pretty. So this is all by using minimal makeup products. I hope you guys have loved watching this video and you will try this in your day-to-day life. So if you have loved this, do like, share, subscribe and comment to my channel, and stay tuned for new videos.